Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change contacts in content and privacy restrictions on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X for your home screen, first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the screen time. Then in the screen time, scroll down and find the content and privacy restrictions. Then after that, in the content and privacy restrictions, go to privacy sections and click the contacts. Then in the contacts, if you want to change it to don't allow changes, just click it until there's a check mark on the side. This allowing changes locks the setting shown below and prevents new apps from using your contacts. And if you want to change it to allow changes, just click it until there's also a check mark on the side. And that's it. We have successfully changed contacts in content and privacy restrictions on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.